Hell yes.
Flip.
That's one flip. There's flip number 2. Look at that shit.
Perfect.
Darn it.
There they are.
And look, we got some more of this hash oil stuff. We're just gonna kind of mix around and put on the top. See? Oh, that's gonna be delicious if I just put a little more on the top. You see this? Oh, look at it pooling down there in the corner. We can eat it. All right, watch this shit. How we do. It's gonna be delicious. Come on. So we'll take some of that butter like that. Just drizzle it on top. Yummy.
Oh, that's good.
Yummy.
What's your name like the best?
You can like sop it up. Look, you can like sop it up in the oil like that. And then y'all are gonna get high fudge sickles.
You want to be a fudge pickle, Joey?
I have no fudge pickle.
That's all I'm gonna get.
And there they are.
There they are. Chocolate chip hash pancakes for breakfast, dank marijuana. Thanks, Nate. Thank you, Nate.
Thank you.
Great job.
Everyone say hi.
And Sheba, we love that. Sheba as well.